Well, the anchor is here. The very old anchor. Yeah, rusted, corroded. Yeah, spectacular. St Mary's Church here in Appledore. Amazing. And here we have Appledore Baptist Church. Really nice. Go down this alley. It looks pretty cool. Cobbled street, cobblestone. And I love these cottages that are coloured. Yeah, they're lovely. There's the entrance, Baptist Church. Here we have a lovely pub called The Champ. Tuesday Russell's Folk, Wednesday James Blues, and live bands on there. Friday, Saturday 2 to 12 noon, Sunday 2 to 10 PM. Chips, can almost smell it already. And we got cod, £7, chips, £3, and we got sweets, lots of bonbons and packet sweets. Look at those. Oh, limes, chocolate limes, fudges, licorice, marmalade. Souvenirs. This is a really nice pub called the Seagate. Yeah, it gets packed, so you've got to book, I think. But it's a great pub.
Honeycomb waffle cone, please.
We got small 99s, £3.20, medium £4, £5.30 for large.
Sunday, especially when the suns are gone in and it's done a bit misty.
We'll get a small one for the second video.
I see Mr. On.
Small 99, please.
Nuggets.
Small 99.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can you get? Sorry.
Oh yeah, can I have? Yeah. Is this ice cream made in Devon, fresh in Devon?
Here in Appledore.
Oh, is it Appledore? Okay, brilliant.
Here in Appledore. Yeah, you couldn't get any nearer.
Oh yeah.
Already
Yeah.
fresher.
Yeah, lovely. Is it the same as what's served in store as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's brilliant.
Instow, Biddyford, Torrington, Westward Ho.
Yeah, oh lovely.
Every one of the local villages.
Yeah,
really.
I thought I'd try it, you know.
Yeah,
See how
that's what
nice
you've
it
got to
is.
do. £3.20.
Yeah,
Thank
there you
very
go,
much.
mate. I appreciate it. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah,
Lovely.
All right, cheers. Have a great day. Thank you. Here we go. Made in Appledore. It's the same that served it in store over there. It's a small one, albeit it's expensive, but for the second video, you know, I will try it for you guys as we overlook the main part of Appledore here. Let's try it. Because you have got smallies 99, some of the a bit of chocolate. Delicious. Doesn't get any fresher. The ice cream was more local. That's local, isn't it? Appledore. From the ice cream and oh, it's a bit chilly, but yeah, an ice cream can go down at any time. Got these streets, this side streets, and this is called the Quay hotel reception, so a place to stay. Yeah, and look at it, lovely little streets. We'll have a walk up here actually. We'll explore these side streets. You see a sign there, how very Victorian, more shops, galleries and tea rooms. And yeah, look at this. That's a picture postcard, isn't it? You got the octopus there. We'll just get a picture. The stone's throw. And here we've got the gallery. And yeah, the octopus. We've got a Market Street kitchen there. How cool is that? It's a cafe favourites, breakfast. Yeah, could do with a coffee, you know. Could do with a coffee, but we're filming to do, so we'll get a coffee in a bit. This is what's beautiful about Appledore. You can come and just sit and look at the river. Got those views. We've got a nice view at the corner of Appledore, just here on this bend. As you go on the main street, seafront. We've got a naval ship over there, which is interesting. Yeah, but it's known for shipbuilding. Known for shipbuilding in Appledore, I think. We have the welcome sign for Appledore. Very arty, isn't it? Welcome, but behind me, check this. Check this house out. It's nice, isn't it? Great way there for the boats to go launch to the river. Walk to the anchor like these guys. This is something you've got to do if you come to Appledore. Just walk to the anchor. Down there we've got what looks like a bell. Yeah, we're not sure what that is. But we're overlooking beautiful Instow over there. It's so picturesque. So the anchor is here. The very old anchor. Yeah, rusted, corroded, and yeah. So guys, that's it from Appledore. I hope you enjoyed the walk around Appledore. It's people have been coming here since the Victorian times. A lot of Victorian buildings, and just a lovely place. So now we're going to move on, go to the car and drive to Westward Ho. They make you feel like you're on holiday, don't you? Just nice, nice bricks, and yeah, just kind of a holiday vibe, a Cornwall vibe, a Let vibe. Yeah, we're just arriving into Westward Ho, and it's quite a lively place by the coast. We got a tennis court there, playing tennis, and they're building more here, little apartments to let, no doubt. This looks a beautiful little street down to the beach. Nice little pub there, a restaurant, Carvery, County Club Cousins. It goes on 2 buildings. We've got a car park here and the beach shop selling sweets, fudge, and a cabana, no doubt, selling coffee, ice cream. There we go, our first look at Westward Ho Beach. Rocky. Yeah, it looks like you go on this beach, you're gonna get wet. Look at that, there's a lot of surface water on the sand there. And the waves are quite ferocious. I'm surprised if there's no surfers. Wow, isn't that nice? Nice there. And you've got the hotel apartments there. All the apartments, I don't know the hotels, but the apartments. Welcome to Westward Ho Beach. Look at that for a view. Yeah, you don't see that every day, do you? You know, I take you to these places, looking for the most beautiful places in the UK and eventually the world. But yeah, you know, Westward Ho has got more popular lately, and I think all these apartments quite new. Yeah, a bit of a stony, rocky beach as well. It's kind of an interesting beach because it's sandy, plus rocky and pebbly. There we go, massive pebbles. Massive pebbles. And yeah, from this point, it goes to a pebble beach. I just looked it up. I was wondering, what is this water? What is the water? It is Bristol Channel, believe it or not. Same as Weston-super-Mare, same as Bermondsey, but much higher up. Yeah, Bristol Channel. Look at this place. You can have champagne, sit out drinks, even a self-laundry service in here. £6 and £5. This is like a restaurant. No. Yeah, an eatery restaurant. The Golad Mott. Dogs welcome. They're all eating by the window, having the drinks and the salad. And that's it. The bar. A nice place. And then you got the apartments. No doubt they built to rent out. Holiday apartments. Horizon view. Car park with a gate. I see a rock pool. There's no lifeguard. No diving, jumping, and there could be objects at the bottom of the pool. Yeah. So, go in the rock pool at your own risk. I certainly won't be going in it. Just ordered fish chips and curry and a tea. In here, £15. Is it eating? Yeah. It's like 3 p.m, 3:30 p.m, so it's odd time. I fancy it. It's just arrived. Here it is. Curry. Fish and chips. Looking good, that. Very soft and not crispy. Very soft. But I think I've got a carb crash. I think I've got a carb crash after that fish and chips. You know, because it were large fish and chips, really filled me up. What's going on here? My phone is dead. My phone is dead. I've got this Flip 5 and it was full at 9 AM, 3:30, battery's empty, but I have been using it as a sat nav. But what the interesting thing is, going from in-store to Flemington was about 5 to 10 minutes. Going from in-store to Appledore, about 15 minutes. And Appledore to Westward Ho, about less than 10 minutes. So they're all kind of tight knit, they're all kind of close together. And that's a great thing about them. In-store Flemington, Bideford, Appledore, Westward Ho. They're all close together. And it's been a great success today. So as always, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And give us a thumbs up, makes a difference to the channel. Subscribe if you want to be in the line to get notified for the next series, wherever that's going to be. You know, maybe South Devon, maybe Dorset, Land Regis. I haven't decided yet, but this has been a great 2 days, a great weekend of seeing, you know, starting in Bideford. It's actually, I'll tell you something now, it's 24 hours ago since we checked in to the hotel. Just 24 hours ago. We've been around Bideford, we've been around in-store, Flemington, Westward Ho and Appledore, all in 24 hours. Wow. It just shows you what you can do when you're travelling, huh? Yeah. Brilliant. I think that deserves a thumbs up. Yeah, anyway, until next time, I'll see you in my car. Peace.